Ever stood in front of a mirror rehearsing words 100 times, but when it matters most, felt your confidence evaporate like morning fog? If that's ever been you, stay tuned. This video will change your life. Hello, friend. Welcome back. Today we're talking about something incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly delicate. Self-confidence. It's that silent magic which turns doubt into determination and dreams into reality. Imagine how your life would look if your confidence wasn't just a fleeting feeling, but a constant companion. Sounds good, right? Let's dive in. First things first, confidence isn't about always knowing exactly what you're doing. Let's be real, nobody actually knows what they're doing all the time. Confidence is about believing in your capacity to learn, adapt, and overcome. Picture Sarah, for example. She trembled giving her first presentation, forgot her words, and yes, even spilled coffee on her notes. Disaster, right? Yet today, Sarah effortlessly leads meetings. And guess what changed? Her inner dialogue. Practically, the first step to building confidence is becoming your own best friend. Think about it. Would you ever say to a friend, "You're terrible at this," or "You should give up"? Of course not. So why say it to yourself? Transform your inner critic into your inner coach. Gently remind yourself, "It's okay. I'm still learning." Now, let's get theoretical, but not too complicated. Psychology calls this self-compassion, a key pillar of confidence. Studies show that people who practice kindness toward themselves handle setbacks far better than those who don't. So, next time you stumble, don't berate yourself. Be kind, learn, and grow. Oh, and here's something crucial yet often overlooked. Confidence grows in action, not in waiting. Imagine learning to swim from books alone. You could read every manual ever written, but until you jump into the water, nothing really happens. Confidence is exactly the same. It thrives when you step into uncertainty. Yes, mistakes will happen, but guess what? Those mistakes aren't failures. They're proof you're actually doing something brave. Practical tip number 2, start small. Pick manageable challenges. Talking to a stranger, trying a new hobby, or even speaking up once in your next meeting. Celebrate these small victories loudly. High-five yourself, dance in your kitchen, treat yourself to your favorite coffee. Anything to anchor that moment of bravery into your memory. Speaking of memory, confidence is also about perspective. When faced with new challenges, remind yourself of past victories, no matter how small. Remember the first time you rode a bike? Terrifying at first, wasn't it? Yet today it's second nature. Confidence grows by building on these past triumphs. Each new challenge is just the next bike waiting to be ridden. Here's the beautiful truth. Confidence isn't a mysterious gift. It's a skill. And like any skill, it grows with practice, patience, and positivity. You have within you right now all the seeds of greatness needed to flourish. Water them daily with kindness, take bold little steps, and always keep the perspective of growth. Remember, you deserve to be seen. You deserve to succeed. And most importantly, you deserve to believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, wonderful humans. If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. Together, we'll explore, grow, and become who we've always dreamed of being. See you next time, and until then, keep shining confidently.